Telecommunications technologies, wireless devices. The presentation is created Kaldıboy Azatbek, Serjanov Musatay. What is telecommunication technologies? Telecommunication is the transmission of information by various types of technologies over wire, radio, optical, or the electromagnetic systems. It has its origin in the desire of humans for communication over a distance greater than that feasible with a human voice, but with a similar scale of expediency. Those slow systems are excluded from the field. Telecommunication principles and obfuscations. Communication. The exchange of information between two parties. Communication at a distance. Dimensions of telecommunication distance significantly affects options for communication. Organizationally, context establishes the nature of the relationships between the communicating parties. Telecommunication process. Internet message communication. Device part sends message onto a telecommunication medium. Telecommunication medium transfers message to receiver's location. Device takes message of the communication medium. Recipient receives the message. Telecommunication technology. Standards. Characteristics of telecommunications media, hardware, and software. Open systems interconnection model. Provides a framework for thinking about communication standards. The computer medium interface. Modem converts digital computer output to signal need for transmission and vice versa. Adapter interface between computer and a network. Transmission media. Twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, microwave signals, infrared signals, radio signals. Switching and routing technologies. Devices have switch, router, gateway, protocol, and the standard for how a message is passed, secured, sent, routed, received, and acknowledged by the receiver within a network. LAN protocols. Internet token ring, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, WAN services, leased lines, switched Kirko data service, packet switched service, calcular services. Types of telecommunications networks. Corporative and academic wide area networks. Telephone networks calcular networks, police and fire communication systems, task dispatch networks, groups of amateur radio operators, and the broadcast networks. Telecommunication technology. These are technologies for the transfer of information via electrical or light technologies. Common examples are visual light communications, fired flashes of light, smoke signals, radio and TV communication, telegraph communications, telephone communications, partly suppressed, converted by the or avalanche into the internet. Electrical and electromagnetic telecommunication technologies include telegraph, telephone and teleprinter, networks, radio, microwave transmissions, fiber optics, communications, satellites, and the internet. What is a wireless devices? A wireless device can refer to any kind of communication equipment that does not require a physical wire for link information to another devices. Wireless headphones fitted with a receiver use either radio frequency or infrared technology to communicate with a transmitter that is connected to the sound source. Cellular televisions. In most cases, however, when someone refers to a wireless device, they are speaking of a networking device that can pass data to other wireless network gear without being physically connected. How does wireless work? Wireless networks use electromagnetic radiation as their means of transmitting data throughout space. An access point device is physically connected to the LAN, typical router. The EP has an antenna and sends and receives data packet throughout space. A wireless device then connects to the LAN using its transmitter to connect to the app and then to the LAN. Wireless network. What is a wireless network? A wireless network is a computer network that uses wireless data connects between network nodes. Wireless networking is a method by which homes, telecommunications networks, and business installations avoid the costly process of introducing cables into a building or as a connection between various equipment location. Specific threats to wireless networks. Unauthorized user service, jamming, constant jamming, reset jamming, and accidental association malicious ascension across networks, non-traditional networks, identity theft, MAK, spoofing, man-in-the-middle attacks, denial of service, network injection. The top 10 wireless technology trends are Wi-Fi, 5G secular, connected everything wireless, long range wireless power, low power wide area networks, wireless skin sensing, enhances wireless location tracking, millimeter wave wireless, basket networking, software deviant radio. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.